That's good. Well, together, on the count of 3, I request our Sarpanch to kindly unveil the trophy. I request everyone to join me in counting the countdown. 1, 2, 3. Outlining the events, the challenges, and the excitement that await. They unveil their team's identity. Thank you so much. Charging ahead with courage, stitched into every thread. St. Joseph High School, Kalangut, your moment of bringing elegance.
In the Panchayat, we had taken a resolution to hold this fiesta this time in a big way. Last time we had it, but that was not in a big way. But this time we got more experience for the last mistakes what we have done. And this time, our Swapnesh Vaigankar, our punch member, we call him brand standard for our Panchayat. So he organized all these things. When I entered the hall, I was a bit surprised that everything was in a systematic way. And this was done along with our staff, our village Panchayat. And the physical education teachers, I saw them coming in the Panchayat for quite a number of days, leaving their schools and then coming over here having meetings. And yes, we have organized it in a nice way along with you. That's why our main motto of the Panchayat is Together We Achieve. If it is not one person, that is not a Sarpanch who does this, it is my Panchayat members, my Panchayat staff, and you all. That's why we always call Together We Achieve. We are proud. This time we have another 2-3 schools added to us, and shortly we'll be having more schools because the type of sport which we are having this time will be an eye-opener to everyone in Goa. I think no panchayat in Goa are organizing this type of tournaments or this type of fiesta, especially for the children, where they have a lot of talents in sports, but they can't showcase or show to the general public what sports talents they have. I feel that during my school days, in Little Flowers of Jesus High School, we had a football ground, but it was all of stones, and we used to fall down, then blood used to come, all that stuff. So this time, with all these things, I am happy that all you students, please come and see that your sports activities are in a very high professional way. I was asking two students which cycle you want. So just see that you all do the best of yours. So this time it is 2 cycles. The next time Swapnesh may organize for more cycles. Yes, Swapnesh? And the Panchayat members also. Because without Panchayat members, I can't take a decision on this. So this time we had a budget of about 10 lakhs for our sports fiesta. So that's why I said we'll do it in such a way that the entire Goa can see us, what the Kalangut Panchayat is doing for the village of Kalangut schools. Now, as I was receiving the flags over here, I remember my school days, my badge was there like a heart, and it was written there, duty first, the label, and I have seen that a lot of things are there. One is Portuguese, and I don't know what's this, but nice to see the old, the old badges, and the badges which are there printed on our logo, as a logo. So this time we are doing a fantastic job, and Swapnesh has really done it well. And for sports, this time we will be keeping a big budget in the next coming budget meeting. And for the last year, we have a budget of 1 crore for basketball near Kodet football ground. It will be an indoor stadium. Mr. Ivo Pinto and his wife, Maria Helena, they are looking after this sport activities for the basketball court. We are yet to get the approval from the government. We have already given our technical cell, my technical cell, to our architect, has given it to the director of Panchayat. So we are yet to get that approval. Once that approval comes, then we will be having a basketball court. It will be very useful for the students and for the schools in and around Kalangut village. So again, we say that development comes not one person. Development comes with all the bunch members of Kalangut. We have carried out this hall, which is costing about 2 crores, where well-wishers and my friends has contributed for this. Then there is a community center near Bodko Ward, MRF, material recovery facilities over there. So there are a lot of activities going on behalf of the village panchayat of Kalangut. But that doesn't mean that only Sarpanch is doing. Every now and then they were saying Sarpanch of Kalangut Sarpanch. No, it is Sarpanch with Kalangut Panchayat members. This is what my motto is. That's why our logo is Together We Achieve. With another point I want to bring it to the notice is regarding garbage collection. Catch them when they are young. So this is what we will be coming to your school for a period, for an assembly for 5 minutes. We will giving a talk to you all with the permission of your school principal or headmaster, and then we can keep our village clean as we are looking now. Because if we go and tell our mother or our parents, Daddy, Mommy, we have to keep the wet garbage separate, dry garbage separate, we can really improve our village, and living of this village will be excellent. Other villages will take an example of our village. We have given a lot of facilities. We have taken about purchased 12 trucks, small trucks, where in the interior roads we can't take the big trucks. So we have taken the small trucks. So I ask, even for your Bob and Job Week, I request, the panchayat will be coming to your schools and requesting your principal, teachers, everyone to cooperate with the Kalagut Panchayat for keeping our village clean and green. With this, I would like to thank the principal and teachers and the students of Little Flower of Jesus High School, St. Joseph High School, Kalagut, Vidya Niketan, Kalagut, Dominic Savio High School, Kalagut, St. Teresa High School, Kandolin, Lourdes Convent High School, Saligao, St. Joseph High School, Arpora, and Green Meadows School, Nagwa. These are the schools where we'll be battling for these new trophies. So the trophies, you should come out with flying colors, and I hope that you will inform your parents to come and see your talents. Inform your relations to please come and see. There are 3 grounds for us. One is at Cobravado, near CSM. One is in Kalagut Association, our own Kalagut Association. And one will be at Puriat Football Ground. We are having a lot of help from Kalagut Association also to conduct our matches. So I can thank Padma Kumar Nair for giving us their space or to carry out these activities. I also would like to thank the organizer, Gabby and Suren sir and Anthony sir, for helping us to conduct these activities. Without your I would say that we would have not achieved so much. I again thank my staff, the Panchayat staff, for giving us lending their good helping hand for us. And thank you each and every one of you. Thank you so much.